Anong step? Anong mauna?
Good.
Okay, so tandaan nyo ang cue. Good leg goes to heaven, bad leg goes to hell. Okay? So again, good leg goes to heaven, bad leg goes to hell. So meaning, when I climb up, mauna ang good leg. Mag-climb down, mauna ang bad leg. Okay? Anong bad leg yun eh? Left ang yung one. Okay. So, bad leg. Good leg.
Good leg.
So ano? Saan mo na yun? Tukod lang. Right? O, tapos. Hindi. O, pag umuli, what will happen? So, ang repair way, tatlo. Isa, dua, tatlo. Okay. Apa? Pero kung non-weight bearing, okay, kung non-weight bearing, so what will happen? Okay, sama na siya. Okay, pero, okay. So, non-weight bearing, tukod mo yan ay inupat ka. Okay. So, non-weight bearing. Okay. Then, it was my turn. Yung what turn? Turn. Okay, then. Okay. Okay. Okay, then. What? What? Okay. So, weight bearing. Okay. Namin kong partial weight bearing. Kung na lang eh. Okay? Hindi mo diretso ha. Ibang diretso mo kung di ba muna siya ha. Ito mo yun ha. Ito mo na sa dayo no. Okay, so kung dito. Isa-isa lang. Okay? So, right now, of course, since ang ato ng stage is narrow, then we, okay? What? So, ano yung pwede? Okay, okay, so, i-secure, ano man, na-secure to mo. Dapat, ano so, alat. Okay? Tikin na nag-bearing mo. Nice. Okay? What? Question. Okay, so partial. Okay, natin mo ko na kanina. Okay, so that is your first walking when climbing up the stairs. Okay, so good leg goes to heaven, bad leg goes to hell. Okay. Ang bad leg ko, hindi ako na eh. Okay, pwede na nga. Okay. So, again, okay. Siya mo pwede. Partial weight bearing. Okay. Partial weight bearing. Partial weight bearing. Okay. Actually, you can use this one when you go down. Sorry, yan non-weight bearing, right? Okay. Non-weight bearing, climbing up. Okay. So, okay na. Right? Non-weight bearing. Okay. Or the other way around. Usually kina okay. So non-weight bearing no, hindi ka lang naman eh. Okay, suppose ka. If the stairs is narrow, tikon mo ay dalangan man ka. Correct? Or kung you can just use this kung pwede. Okay. What? Okay? So wala ko naging liso ha. Dapat sa piyak ng okay? Hindi ko naging liso. Okay. Kung na-apply sa akon, pwede na makamodify ka. As long as you don't beat the purpose. Okay? So bad leg. ano mo, nalipat ko ulit, nga usually, master climbing, meron man partial, meron none. Kung none ka, makikita ni. Okay? Pwede ka kahap eh, kung gusto mo, namaran ka. Mahap ka, galing ko sa baka. Okay? So, kung ang stairs na ano, pwede din. Pwede din. Pwede din. Right? Okay? Then, pwede mo man modify. Pwede mo gawa mo. Na, hindi lang mo yung bad leg mo, ha? Pwede din. Okay. Okay. Secondary naman. Okay. So, pwede nga duwa na lang. Duwa na yung usap. Right? Okay, any question? Ang good leg. This one. Kundi, nag-walk ka. Napagabot mo din. Napagabot mo din, pilo mo eh. Right? Pilo mo, either na tapos na siya, or duwa. Okay, walang good leg. Okay? So, forward mo yun. Okay, that's why the walker will be your enemy. So, nag-climb up the stairs ka. Okay? So, depende din mo yan. Okay. So, yan. Right? Correct? Yes. Of course, mahinay ka dito. Right? But, ano gani? Ang mantra, ano mo na? Safety first. Okay? So, non-weight bearing to. Correct? Then, maneuver. Okay, then, how many good lie? Right? So, safety. Kung may elevator, mamukabit niya. Okay? So, ang building dapat handicap friendly. Okay? So, usually handicap friendly yung mga ramp pala. Tama sa mga ramp na may building iba yung handicap friendly mo sa wala ramp. Ang ilan na CR, may harap po handicap. Kung may handicap, tama muna railing. Okay? If you go to SM, di ba may harap handicap? May ano ganit, may doorbell na may yabi. Okay? So, that's how you do it with the crutch, with the cane, and with the walker. Any question? Wala? Okay na? Okay na, entertain mo ka mo, nakatuwa. Okay. So,